All the students of class 4 of Krishna Memorial High School, welcome to our online English class. Now today I will go to start a new chapter from English language. The chapter name is the adjective and the chapter number is 7, and I also translate all chapter in Hindi. So listen carefully. So let's start this chapter. The adjective. An adjective describes a noun and a pronoun. Adjective add to the meaning of the nouns. They describe the nouns by answering the question which one, many, what kind, etc. एडजेक्टिव जो है वो नाउन और प्रोनाउन को बताता है और मीनिंग नाउन में डाल देता है. ओके, रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस. दिस बनानास आर राइप. मतलब ये पका हुआ बनाना. इसमें जो राइप है ये जो है वो एडजेक्टिव्स है. ओके, देयर आर मेनी एग्जाम्पल्स, सो आई कांट रीड. यू ऑल रीड. ओके, यू ऑल आर रीड दिस एग्जाम्पल्स. Just Indian soldiers are very brave. This woman is very beautiful. Mohan is a tall boy. The weather is a cloudy today. Okay. In the above sentence, the word ripe, brave, beautiful, tall, and the cloudy tell about banana, soldier, woman, Mohan, and weather. Thus, we can define an adjective as a word that describe a noun or a pronoun. मतलब जो adjective है वो noun और pronoun को describe करता है कि वो किस type का है. Okay. Example, person. Sony is a fat girl. सोनी जो है मोटी लड़की है. एनिमल, एन एलिफेंट इज़ अ बिग एनिमल. एलिफेंट जो बड़ा सा जानवर है. प्लेस, मुंबई इज़ अ शोर सिटी. मुंबई जो है वो बहुत क्या बोल सकते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ वाला जगह है. थिंग्स, दिस इज़ एन इंटरेस्टिंग बुक. ओके, मतलब ये बहुत अच्छा बुक है, मज़ा आ रहा है ये बुक पढ़ने में, इस टाइप का. ओके, काइंड ऑफ एडजेक्टिव. देयर 6 kinds of adjective. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective. 1 number, adjective of quality. This adjective shows the kind of or quality of a person or things. They answer the question of what kind. Example, mouse is a small animal. She is a beautiful girl. Sam is an intelligent boy. Elephant has a short tail. The giraffe has a long neck. In this sentence, the word small, beautiful, intelligent, short and long tell us what kind of person or thing is. They are adjective of quality. Means where we ask what type of quality is this इज कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. मतलब जहाँ पे हम लोग पूछते हैं किस टाइप का चीज़ है वो हुआ एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. ओके, सेकंड, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. दिस एडजेक्टिव शोज हाउ मच ऑफ ए थिंग्स इज मीन. दे आंसर द क्वेश्चन हाउ मच. मतलब जहाँ पर हम लोग पूछते हैं ये कितना है. ओके, example, Sarah eats some rice daily. The whole sum is wrong. We have had enough food. There is a little water in the glass. There is much sugar in the coffee. The word some, whole, enough, little, much are adjective of quantity. Means where we ask how many they are. Okay, it is called adjective of quantity. Third number, adjective of number. This adjective shows how many persons or things are meant or in what order a person or things are meant. They answer the question how many or in what order. Few children love to drink milk. A hand has 5 fingers. I have many dresses. All must die all one day. In the above sentence, the words few, 5, many, all tell us how many things are or in what order any of them stands. Thus, these adjectives are called adjectives of number. Means where we count any number or we ask how many person, things, place, etc. This is all are included in adjectives of number. Okay, according to its use, the same adjective may be classified as an adjective of quantity of number or number. Adjective of quantity, adjective of number. I ate some sweets. 6 boys are decent. He has lost all his wealth. All must die. He did not eat rainy rice. Are there any roses in the garden? I have enough clothes. There are many plates. 4 number, demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives points out which person or things is meant. They answer the question which. Example, this girl secured highest marks in the examination. B, that means save the girl life. These are good girls. Those boys are laborious. Do not be in such a hurry. In the above sentence, the words these, that, those, these, such tell us which person or things are meant. Thus, these adjectives are called demonstrative adjectives. Means where we ask whose, which, मतलब किसका है, जहाँ पे हम लोग these, that, these, those यूज़ करते हैं. सच लाइक वो सब होता है एडजेक्टिव्स, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives. These adjectives are used to ask question. Means where we ask question, who are you, in which class you are read. This is interrogative adjectives. Okay, like whose pen is this, which car is yours, what kind of boy is he, what color is your dress. In the above sentence the word whose, which and what are used to ask question, thus they are called interrogative. मीन्स जहाँ पे हम लोग पूछते हैं ये किसका है, वो कौन सा तो कार तुम्हारा है, ये सब जो हुआ ये सब हुआ इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव. पॉजिटिव adjectives, and these adjectives are used to tell possession of something or some person. The things possessed may be singular or plural. Example, this is my book, this is your house. See, this is his book, this is her dress, these are our balls, these are their dolls, this is a dog, it barks at strangers. मतलब जहाँ पर ये मेरा है, ये मेरा है, वो उसका है, वो सब जो यूज़ होता है ना हम लोग में, ये सब जो हुआ ये पॉजिटिव एडजेक्टिव्स हुआ. ओके, इन द अबव सेंटेंस द वर्ड माई, योर, हिज, हर, आउट, देयर एंड इट आर पॉजिटिव एडजेक्टिव. नाउ हाफ ऑफ द चैप्टर इज completed. Their next part is degree of comprehension. Okay, let's start and read the following sentence. A. Sam is the tall boy. Ram is taller than Sam. Karim is the tallest of the three boys. In sentence 1, the adjective tall is said to be in the positive degree. This degree used when no comparison is made. In sentence 2, the adjective taller is said to be in the comparative degree. This degree denotes a higher degree of quality than that the positive one, and used when two objects are compared. In second sentence, the third sentence, the adjective tallest is said to be in the superlative degree. This degree denotes the highest degree of quality and is used when more than two objects are compared. Means where just one person is, and we said about one person, where at that place we use positive degree. If we compare two person, two things, anything, we compare anything to each other, only two. Okay, here we can use comparative degree, and where we compare more than 2, 3, 4, then we use superlative. Okay, positive degree, describe a singular noun in a simple statement. Ram is a good boy. Comparative degree, describe two nouns so as to compare, use the word that, then add ear, or use either more or less. Superlative degree, describe three or more nouns, use the word the add esr, or use either most or least. Ram is the best boy. मतलब कंपेरेटिव में ईयर यूज़ होता है, मोर और लेस भी यूज़ होता है, और सुपरलेटिव में ई एस टी यूज़ होता है, और मोस्ट और लिस्ट भी यूज़ होता है. बट मोर और लेस और मोस्ट और लिस्ट कहाँ पे यूज़ होता है मैं आगे बता दूँगी. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कंपेरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव. 1 number, the following adjectives are from the comparative by adding es, and superlative by adding est, and superlative by adding est to the positive. Positive, comparative, superlative. Kind, kinder, kindest. Tall, taller, tallest. Short, shorter, shortest. Old, older, elder, oldest, eldest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Young, younger, youngest. Okay. Second number, if the positive ends in e, we had only r and st to form the comparative and superlative. Positive, comparative, superlative. Brave, braver, bravest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Fine, finer, finest. Pure, purer, purest. Large, larger, largest. White, whiter, whitest. Means which word are end with e, we are only put r in comparative, and so in the superlative we only put st. Okay. Third number, if the positive ends in y and y has a constant before it, then y is changed to I before adding er and est. But if the y is preceded by a vowel, y is not changed to. Okay. Positive, lazy, lazier, laziest. Merry, merrier, merriest. Happy, happier, happiest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. मतलब y जब रहेगा लास्ट में, एट द लास्ट, व्हेन y इज पुट इन द वर्ड, वी change it in comparative IER, and in superlative IEST. Okay. If at the last y and it's before a vowel word, we can't change the word with IER with IEST. ओके, मतलब अगर लास्ट में y है और उसके पहले कोई वॉवेल वर्ड है, मतलब AEIOU, देन वी कांट, मतलब हम लोग चेंज उसको नहीं कर सकते हैं कंपेरेटिव में IER और सुपरलेटिव में IEST में. ओके. 4 number, if the positive degree has only one syllabus and ends in the one constant and the constant is preceded by a short vowel, this constant is double before adding ER and EEST. ओके, मतलब कुछ वर्ड्स होता है जो वॉवेल होता है, उसके पास वाला वॉवेल होता है, तो हम लोग उसको क्या कर देते हैं, उसके बाद वाला जो वर्ड रहता है उसको डबल कर देते हैं. मीन्स वी just double the word which are after the vowel word. Vowel word we put after the vowel word, this word were double. Okay, means see, hot, hotter, hottest. Okay, means लास्ट में टी था, मैंने डबल टी कर दिया. ओके. सैड, सैडर, सैडेस्ट. Big, bigger, biggest. Red, redder, reddest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. 5 number, some adjective from their comparative and superlative by adding more and most before. जो चीज़ काउंटिंग नहीं हो सकता उसमें हम लोग मोर और मोस्ट बैठाते हैं. ब्यूटीफुल, मोर ब्यूटीफुल, मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल. इंपॉर्टेंट, मोर इंपॉर्टेंट, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. faithful, more faithful, most faithful. Careful, more careful, most careful. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. 6 number, some adjectives are compared regularly. Good, better, best. Little, less, least. Bad, worse, worst. Much, more, most. Far, further, farthest. One syllable adjective have comparative and superlative ending in er and est. X, hard, harder, hardest. One syllable adjective ending in e, add, r and st. Nice, nicer, nicest. One syllable adjective with a ve, constant, vowel constant, end in doubling the final constant. For example, fat, fatter, fattest. Two syllables adjective ending in y, change y to I in the comparative and superlative degree. For the example, happy, happier, happiest. More than two syllable adjective, more than two syllable adjective, and all adjective of more than two syllables make the comparative degree with more and the superlative degree with the most. Okay, example, beautiful, most beautiful. I think you all understand this chapter, and we will send all the questions, answer and your homework in your WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.